What the hell? If I would have done that, I would have fucking killed myself. This guy is...
There was. Joe, did you not see him?
Well, Joel's probably flipping out right now because he don't know what to do in a 1v1 situation. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Look at that laggy bullshit.
Laggy bullshit.
No, like my fucking crosshairs are on his fucking head. Oh, I see what I'm doing.
You're shooting a shotgun at him.
Oh, come on, Joe.
Fucking retarded.
That shit was funny.
Search and destroy.
What the fuck did I have out?
Clear the objectives.
Oh, I didn't know that was a shotgun.
God damn, Joe.
Well, fuck. Bullshit.
You need to upload that.